Welcome to the channel, guys, where we're dedicated to helping you lead a healthier, happier life. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cardiovascular health and exploring the vital role that healthy habits play in strengthening your heart. Whether you're looking to prevent heart disease, boost your overall well-being, or simply want to understand how to care for your heart better, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be sharing invaluable insights, practical tips, and evidence-based advice to empower you on your journey to a stronger heart. So, if you're ready to take charge of your cardiovascular health and embark on a path to lifelong vitality, make sure to stay tuned. Let's get started. Starting with our first tip, eat a heart-healthy diet. One of the foundational pillars for maintaining a strong and healthy heart is your diet. Eating a heart-healthy diet is crucial in supporting cardiovascular health and overall well-being. To achieve this, it's essential to focus on a balanced and nutritious eating plan. Incorporate plenty of fruits and vegetables into your meals, as they are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Whole grains should be a staple in your diet, providing a valuable source of fiber. Lean protein sources like poultry, fish, and legumes can help you maintain muscle and keep your heart strong. Additionally, opt for healthy fats found in nuts, seeds, and olive oil, which contribute to improved cholesterol levels. By making these dietary choices, you're taking significant steps towards nurturing a stronger and healthier heart. Let's move on to our second tip: exercise regularly. Regular exercise is a cornerstone of cardiovascular health, playing a pivotal role in maintaining a strong and resilient heart. Aim to incorporate physical activity into your routine by striving for a minimum of 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise. In addition to aerobic workouts, don't forget to include strength training exercises at least 2 days a week. These activities not only boost muscle strength, but also provide essential support to your heart. A well-rounded exercise regimen not only keeps your heart in peak condition, but also contributes to your overall health and vitality. So, lace up those sneakers, hit the gym, or embrace your favorite physical activities and let your heart benefit from the gift of regular exercise. The third tip on our list is maintain a healthy weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is a critical aspect of promoting cardiovascular well-being. Excess weight can exert unnecessary strain on your heart and increase the risk of heart-related issues. To achieve and sustain a healthy weight, it's essential to strike a balance between a wholesome diet and regular physical activity. Eating a diet rich in nutrient-dense foods and controlling portion sizes can help you shed excess pounds or prevent weight gain. Coupled with this, engaging in regular exercise not only burns calories, but also enhances your metabolism and contributes to overall weight management. By adopting these lifestyle choices, you're not only reducing the burden on your heart, but also fostering a healthier and more vibrant life. Remember, a healthy weight is not just about appearances. It's about ensuring your heart can function optimally for years to come. Bringing us to our fourth tip: quit smoking. Quitting smoking is a paramount step in safeguarding your cardiovascular health. Smoking stands as a significant risk factor for heart disease, and its harmful effects on the heart and blood vessels cannot be understated. If you're a smoker, seeking support and resources to quit is not just a wise decision, it's a life-saving one. Smoking cessation not only reduces the risk of heart disease, but also improves lung function and overall well-being. Remember, your heart deserves the best care, and by quitting smoking, you're taking a profound stride towards a healthier, smoke-free life. The fifth tip we have is limit alcohol consumption. When it comes to alcohol consumption, moderation is key for maintaining a heart-healthy lifestyle. If you choose to drink alcohol, it's important to do so in a responsible and controlled manner. Guidelines recommend limiting your alcohol intake to 1 drink per day for women and up to 2 drinks per day for men. This approach ensures that you can enjoy the social aspects of drinking without significantly increasing your risk of heart-related issues. Drinking in excess can lead to high blood pressure, heart rhythm disturbances, and even heart failure. So keeping your alcohol consumption within these recommended limits is a prudent choice for your cardiovascular health. Remember, your heart's well-being is closely tied to your lifestyle choices, and making informed decisions about alcohol is a positive step towards a stronger heart. Moving on with our sixth tip: manage stress. Managing stress is paramount for maintaining a healthy heart, as chronic stress can take a toll on your cardiovascular well-being. The body's response to ongoing stress can lead to elevated blood pressure, inflammation, and an increased risk of heart disease. To counteract these effects, it's crucial to incorporate stress reduction techniques into your daily routine. Consider practices such as mindfulness meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to help you relax and de-stress. These methods can not only lower your stress levels, but also promote emotional well-being and overall heart health. Remember, taking time for self-care and stress management is a vital component of your journey toward a stronger and more resilient heart. Let's move on to our 7th tip: get quality sleep. Prioritizing quality sleep is an often underestimated but crucial factor in maintaining a healthy heart. Aim for a consistent 7 to 9 hours of restorative sleep each night, as insufficient or poor quality sleep can contribute to various heart problems. During sleep, your body undergoes essential repair and maintenance processes, including those that support cardiovascular health. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to high blood pressure, obesity, and an increased risk of heart disease. To ensure you get the quality sleep your heart deserves, establish a regular sleep schedule, create a calming bedtime routine, and create a comfortable sleep environment free of distractions. By making sleep a priority and adopting healthy sleep habits, you're taking proactive steps to safeguard your heart and overall well-being. Remember, a good night's sleep is a gift to both your body and your heart. Bringing us to our last tip: monitor blood pressure. Regularly monitoring your blood pressure is a crucial element in maintaining optimal heart health. High blood pressure is a significant risk factor for heart disease, and if left unmanaged, it can lead to serious cardiovascular issues. It's essential to have your blood pressure checked regularly by a healthcare provider and to follow their recommendations for managing it. By actively monitoring and managing your blood pressure, you're taking a proactive step in reducing the risk of heart-related problems and ensuring the long-term health and vitality of your heart. Remember, a healthy heart starts with maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. In conclusion, taking care of your heart and cardiovascular health is essential for a long and fulfilling life. By incorporating these healthy habits into your daily routine, you're not just protecting your heart, but also enhancing your overall well-being. Remember, small changes can lead to significant results, so don't underestimate the power of a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management, and proper sleep. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content on maintaining a strong heart and a healthier life. And also hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates. Together, we can all work towards a future filled with vitality and well-being. Thank you for watching, and here's to a heart-healthy future. Until next time, take care.